you go to a bookstore and buy your school item. Okay. At first, the dialogue will be, "Hello, may I help you?" In Japanese, "Hello, may I help you?" Teacher, how do you say in Japanese? Like in the store, "Hello, may I help you?" Okay, irashaimase. Okay, say in Japanese. Irashaimase. Very good. Ready? One more time. In English, go on. "Hello, may I help you?" Go.
Hello, may I help you?
Very good. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. "Hello, may I help you?"
Hello, may I help you?
Example, you want to buy pencil case. So you will be saying, "Pencil case, please." Okay. "Pencil case, please."
Pencil case, please.
Then the owner will say, "Okay, here you are." "Okay, here you are."
Okay, here.
In Japanese, "Hai, dozo." "Okay, here you are."
Okay.
One more time. "Okay, here you are."
Okay, here.
"Okay,
Okay,
here."
here.
"You."
You.
"Here you
Here.
are." "Here you are."
Here.
Okay, follow my gesture. "Okay, here you are." Go. "Okay, here you are." Everybody, hold your pencil case. Hold your pencil case. Hold your pencil case. Hold your pencil case. Okay, ready? Hold your pencil case. Say, "Okay, here you are." Go. "Okay, here you are." Very good. One more time. Ready? Go. "Okay, here you are." Okay. Speak while you are making the gesture. Speak while you are making the gesture. Ready? "Oh, here you are." Very good. One more time. "Okay, here you are." Speak louder. One more time. "Okay, here you are." Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. You're welcome. Do itashimashite. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. So, okay. Okay, let's say for example, Hideko teacher is the customer, okyaku-san. I am the owner of the bookstore. Right. "Hello, good morning. May I help you?"
Pencil case, please.
"Okay, here you are."
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, great job. Very good. Come in. Now, Hideko teacher is the owner. I will be the customer. And ta-da! I'm going to bring my shopping bag.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I help you?
Oh, pencil case, please. Action.
Hello. Good morning. May I help you? Scissors, please. Okay. You're welcome. Here.
Great job, very good. Clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands. 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 Very good.
May I help you? Eraser. Please. Eraser. Okay. Okay. 이유야. Hello, may I help you? Eraser. Please. Okay, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Clap your hands. Great job. Very good. All right. Karen, let's go shopping.
Hello. What? Good morning.
May I help
May
you?
I help you? Good morning.
Please choose one item. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Wait, choose one. What do you want to buy? Choose one.
Hello. Good morning. May I help you? Good luck, please. Okay. Here you are. Thank you. You are welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, great job. Clap your hands. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
Good. Crayon and pencil.
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 Very good. Colored pencil. In Japanese, iro and pencil. In English, egowa, colored pencil. Very good. Very good. Glue. Glue. Scissors. 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 Okay, let's have a shopping game. You're going to buy your favorite school item. I am the owner of the school supply center or of the bookstore. Good morning. May I help you? Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Very good. Good morning. May I help you?
Good luck, please.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. May I help you? Okay. Here you are. You're welcome. Goodbye. Next. Hello. Good morning. May I help you? Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye. And good job. Good morning. May I help you?
Crayon.